Taxation for micro, small, and medium enterprises (MSMEs). Micro, small, and medium enterprises (MSMEs) are vital contributors to economic growth and job creation in many countries, including Indonesia. To support MSMEs, the government provides special taxation rules to encourage compliance and ease the financial burden on these businesses. ******************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************** businesses categorized based on their annual revenue or total assets. In Indonesia, MSMEs are defined as follows. Micro enterprises, annual revenue up to 300 million Indonesian rupiahs. Small enterprises, annual revenue between 300 million Indonesian rupiahs and 2.5 billion Indonesian rupiahs. Medium enterprises, annual revenue between 2.5 billion Indonesian rupiahs and 50 billion Indonesian rupiahs. **2. Special tax regulation for MSMEs. To simplify tax compliance and support the growth of MSMEs, the Indonesian government has introduced a final tax rate of 0.5% under Government Regulation No. 23 of 2018 **. Key features of the 0.5% tax. 1. Who qualifies? Businesses with an annual turnover of up to 4.8 billion Indonesian rupiahs. Applies to individual entrepreneurs, partnerships, or corporate entities. 2. Tax base. The tax is calculated on gross turnover, not profit. 3. Duration of application. Individuals. *** up to 7 years. Entities. *** up to 4 years for partnerships and cooperatives, and up to 3 years for limited liability companies. After this period, the business must transition to standard corporate or individual tax regulations. ***. *3. Example of MSME tax calculation. Scenario. Annual turnover. 1.2 billion Indonesian rupiahs. Applicable tax rate. 0.5%. Tax payable. 1.2 billion Indonesian rupiahs times 0.5% equals 6 million Indonesian rupiahs. The tax must be paid periodically, monthly or quarterly, based on the business's actual turnover. *4. Benefits of the 0.5% final tax. 1. Simplified compliance. MSMEs only need to calculate and pay a fixed percentage of their gross turnover. 2. Lower tax burden. The 0.5% rate reduces the financial burden compared to standard tax rates. 3. Encourages formalization. Simplified rules motivate businesses to register and contribute to the tax system. *5. Obligations of MSME taxpayers. 1. Taxpayer registration. MSMEs must register for a Taxpayer Identification Number (NPWP). 2. Payment and reporting. Taxes must be paid to the designated bank or tax office. Monthly or annual tax reporting may be required, depending on the turnover. 3. Record keeping. MSMEs must maintain records of their revenue to support tax calculations. *6. Transition to standard taxation. Once an MSME exceeds the annual turnover threshold of 4.8 billion Indonesian rupiahs or the maximum period of applying the 0.5% tax expires, it must transition to standard taxation rules, including corporate income tax (CIT) ** 22% of taxable income. Individual income tax (PPH) ** progressive rates based on income levels. *7. Penalties for non-compliance. Failure to meet tax obligations may result in late payment fines, interest penalties for unpaid taxes, administrative sanctions or audits. *********8. MSME tax relief during the COVID-19 pandemic. To support MSMEs affected by the pandemic, the Indonesian government temporarily waived the 0.5% final tax for eligible MSMEs. This relief may still be extended or adjusted based on economic conditions. ******9. Importance of tax compliance for MSMEs. Access to loans. **** Tax compliance helps build creditworthiness for business financing.